Hey Alyssa, I just want to tell you, I'm on this trail in the middle of these woods. It's unmarked. Like somebody's just been walking through it. Alyssa's always giving me the dangers of being outside. Hold on, look over. I do know that. Alyssa's like, don't do that, Rose. It's scary. Into the river. It is so cool though, Alyssa. You gotta come outdoors. You should come out hiking with me. Not going to the Amazon though. Not to go randomly exploring the Amazon. I don't know the critters around there. At least here I know what I'm dealing with mostly. Anyway, have a good day.